Hi, it's Christine here, and I am going to share with you today some tips and tricks on using your doTERRA essential oils and some other products that you might want to know a little bit more about. I'm going to keep this video quick, but hopefully you'll have some great helpful information for you. So first of all, I want to talk about a few safety tips. When you're using essential oils, you never want to put them directly in your eyes, your nose, or your ears. Maybe rub it around your ears, but you do not ever want to drop the essential oils directly in your ears. When you are using essential oils on babies or children or those with sensitive skin, you may want to use what we call a carrier oil. It might be something like coconut oil or an almond oil, whatever you've got. But that will help, especially with children, from taking the essential oil. Maybe you've dropped it onto their feet and they're rubbing their feet now, and they've got it on their hands and they're rubbing on their face, and that might be sensitive to them. So think about maybe just putting on if you're going to put the essential oils on their feet, putting on a pair of socks over their feet when you're done. When you're using citrus oils, you want to be careful about going out directly in the sun for about 12 hours. So, if you're going to be using them topically, that is, and maybe make sure that you're covered up. Another thing I want to talk about for a moment is diffusers. If you do not have a diffuser, I promise you you're going to want to get one or two or three. We have several in our home, in just about every room in our home. And play around with your diffuser. You're going to come across a lot of different diffuser recipes. Play around with them, and there's no right or wrong. We have diffusers going all the time in our home, and depending on the mood or what we're trying, if there's a certain area of our bodies that we're trying to support, is what we're choosing to put in, what oils we're choosing to put in. But I always mix and match them, and just love my diffuser. You'll also want to make sure to take care of your diffuser. So maybe once a month, clean it. I like to actually take just some inexpensive vinegar, pour it in there and diffuse it for a little while, and then pour that out, take a little Q-tip and just kind of cotton swab and just kind of rub those areas that might have a little residue, rinse it out, and you're good to go. Just make sure you don't get the water on any of the electronic parts. But you're going to love your diffusers. You're going to love how they make the air smell and what great things they do for the environment. Another thing I wanted to talk about is you may think of doTERRA and think essential oil company. Well, of course we're an essential oil company, but we offer more than essential oils. And I'm not sure if you're aware, but actually doTERRA's #1 reordered product is our lifelong vitality pack. These are 3 bottles, and there is a vegan option. One bottle has your antioxidants, another one has your omegas, and another one has your vitamins and minerals. Comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. So who can say when they go to the regular store and they pick up vitamins that they come with a 30-day money-back guarantee? That is because doTERRA is so confident in these products that they know that you're going to want to keep using them. So when you are using oils, I've already talked about using them topically, but some oils are considered what we consider hot oils. For instance, cinnamon or oregano or sometimes even peppermint. You want to think about diluting the oils, and diluting doesn't mean that it makes the oils less effective. It actually helps them absorb quickly, and actually helps them to stretch further, if you will, making them more cost effective and also potentially reducing any skin sensitivity that you might have. So the number of drops that you can use just depends on the age. So for instance, if you're using as an adult, maybe 10 drops, a teenager, you might want to use a few less drops than that. A child, maybe from 8 to 10, children, you'd want to use maybe half of that. And babies, you'd want to just be really careful and use just a drop or two on the bottom of their feet. I want you to always listen to your mama or your papas or your auntie or whoever you are in relation to the kids. Listen to that intuition. follow that, and you can always apply more. So, and if ever you do apply an essential oil that seems hot or sensitive, just put a carrier oil. Remember I talked about coconut oil. Put a carrier oil, and that will help to soothe that and calm that down. You can also use essential oils in roller bottles. doTERRA makes some great blends in bottles. They call them Touch. So if you see like On Guard Touch, you know that that is a roller bottle, and it has probably fractionated coconut oil in with it. But you can also make your own blends and roller bottles, and so that's fun. doTERRA also has 6 wellness programs. I'm actually going to share my screen with you. I want to show you a little bit about these wellness programs. And so let me just go ahead and share that with you. So these are the wellness programs. And you can see here there is a relief wellness program, there's an immunity wellness program, a respiratory, a digestive, a sleep, and a mind and mood. And these are different programs that you can actually order on your on your loyalty reward order. And they are great programs. It's a 3-month program. You can start and stop whenever you would like, but it's just a great way to get products into your home. You actually, when you're in the program, you can actually get more additional products at a discounted price depending on the program. So for instance, here is the Mind and Mood Wellness Program. I'm going to show that to you, and it shows what comes in month 1, month 2, and month 3, but then you get to customize your program. So you can actually add certain products at a discounted price, and that is a wonderful opportunity for you. So I just kind of wanted to share that with you. Oh, sorry about that. You got to see my family for a minute. Just kind of wanted to share those tips with you. We've got a welcome video. There's some other videos on this YouTube channel. Be sure and subscribe to it and reach out to us. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. You can always email me at chris.doterra@gmail.com. Hope you're having a great day, and we'll talk soon. Bye-bye.